Very good afternoon. Welcome again to Skin Tech Studios. Today we are going to demonstrate uh, cheek filler. You can see the patient here. She is a young patient. Uh, this is our second sitting for the cheek augmentation. What we are going to be doing is a little cheek enhancement, which can actually change the look. The cheek augmentation also is done in a lot of women with aging skin because it gives you an instant enhancement and gives you a youthful appearance. But in this patient, we're basically doing it to match up her face volume because the middle face seems to be very flat, and we can give her a little volume on the cheek to give her a much younger appearance. At the same time, it will also enhance the overall skin, and if there is a little bit which is left out, then we can do other areas like nose and the lip. Hardly takes 5 to 7 minutes. It's one of the most asked for treatments in our clinic because I think in patients who fall in the middle age group from 35 onwards are the ones who basically look for the cheek enhancement. And one of the best reasons as to why we do a lot of cheek enhancement is because it also takes care of the mid-face aging. The fact that the whole procedure is very short and there is no downtime, there is no bleeding, there is no scarring, so people prefer to get these treatments done. We would be demonstrating you one of the services here. As you can see that the patient is absolutely normal. The results would be instant. The whole procedure is absolutely non-painful, and you can see the gratifying results immediately post the session is finished. We have a lot of elderly patients who basically come down for this treatment because of the aging skin, but however there are a lot of young patients too who prefer these treatments these days because it gives you a beautiful contouring of the face, and you can actually enhance your cheek by putting in a lot of blush or a makeup which settles very well over a high cheekbone, so it gives you a beautiful definition. As you can see that the client is resting very nicely. You okay, no? Don't move your head, you can just say. We had done the procedure almost around 3 or 4 years back for this patient because she's a very young patient. So if you could actually see, Sunny, if you can see, you can see that instantly you can see a very high cheekbone here in comparison to this side. So this portion looks a little more elevated, and there's a beautiful, you can just smile. See, if you smile, you can see a beautiful elevation which goes towards the eye. This is also the area where you prefer to put blush or a rouge. So we're going to be actually doing the other side now. कैसा लग रहा है? Let me know volume.
Now.
As you can see, we have finished one side of the cheek, and if you could see, there is a nice definition or a high cheek bone sort of a creation, which is basically done by the filler. Now, the filler, as we all know, is one of the safest molecule to put, and the results are instantly gratifying, very very safe, stays for a long period of time, depending upon the molecule. Here you can see the difference between the two sides. You can see that one side of the cheek has really gone up and gives a beautiful, impression of high cheek bone to the patient. We need to work on the second, on the other side, which is the left side now, and we shall show you the full difference once we finish with the procedure.
Start.
We're starting with the left side now. As you can see now, we have come to the left side now, and this is almost getting over. You can see the patient is extremely comfortable. The beauty about this treatment is it's absolutely painless. You can actually get the treatment done and walk home, and no one gets to know, because there's not any mark. Mirror. Can you just get up?
Mirror.
Now you can see now both the sides look done up. How do you feel? कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है डॉक्टर. आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल. कोई
As you can see that the patient is also very happy. I think one of the very gratifying services that we usually do in the clinic, we can see an instant change in the patient. The patient sees an immediate change, and overall the hyaluronic goes into the skin, so it does improve the texture, and it does give you an overall highlighting. So this is all about the cheek, high cheek and cheek augmentation for the day. We will come back to you with some more invasive, semi-invasive procedures very very shortly. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.